Is it? Okay, so first and foremost, let me eat. And if you've seen, this is our meal. I have to eat this right about now. I had to like put it on in the microwave and warm it because it was cold. But I'm going to eat it right now because we have to eat. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I hope you enjoyed that little portion of me making lunch, brunch, dinner. I don't know what you want to call that, but I just made something because I've been in my house all day relaxing because they said that it was gonna rain, so I planned for rain to stay home and just relax. And I look outside, they said 70% rain, and there was no rain all morning, all day, no rain. So I don't know what that is all about. But what I'm going to do, I don't care about anybody. I'm gonna make plans for tomorrow to do something. Actually, maybe tonight I have to comb my hair, like to pull up my hair and wash it and so forth. But I don't know. But I'm going to have to do that today, this evening. So I have to do that when I go to bed and so forth. But what we're gonna be doing today is I'm going to be doing our empties and new tries because yes, the month has started and we haven't done our empties and new tries. But I just wanted to get myself together. I just wanted to what do you say now? I just wanted to make something to eat while I'm doing it so I can get in the mood and so forth. And I haven't done my skincare as yet. I just wash my face and maybe I can do that in the video while I'm sharing my empties and new tries. I can share with you the products that I'm currently using and the products that I finish. It would make sense, yeah, kind of vibe. So this video is going to be really nice, chill, and that kind of vibe. So I just wanted to just sit with me as I get this video cracking. Okay, so first and foremost, let me eat. And if you've seen, this is our meal. I have to eat this right about now. I had to like put it in the microwave and warm it because it was cold. But I'm going to eat it right now because we have to eat. And then I have some coffee right now, nice and hot, the way I like it, in my very big mug. Because who drinks 30 ml worth of coffee? Not Jody. Alright, so let me just eat and come back to you because I don't want the video to be long, kind of vibe, you know. Okay guys, so we decided that we're gonna go to the park to see the sakura blooming, and it's one of the best things about Japan, the 4 seasons. Just come on with me. Special sauce? Special?
少しソースあります。リスペースでこれソース。
Ah, a little. So good.
ありがとう。
But strong. Strong taste. What's the name of that sauce? Special. Taiwanese, same.
Yes.
You're Taiwanese.
Yes. Taiwan. Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, she's Taiwanese too.
This can go there. Where? There. You go in the middle. She already. She already. Okay. You love those. I love.
Hachimayaman. Hachimanayaman Park.
Young and open-hearted, desperate to feel wanted. Gave too much to people that left me disregarded. Used to be easier to give than to take. Used to think everyone would treat me the same. But now, I'm calling back my energy from every single thing that wasn't meant for me. Old friends, ex-lovers, and my enemies, I wish in peace. But now I'm writing love letters to myself before I get.
Yes guys, I just finished braiding my hair and this is how it looks. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Yeah, I am so loving it, and the makeup is super simple and super cute. Am I giving cutie vibe? Are we giving cutie vibe? Are we giving cute vibe? Yeah, so I'm gonna wash my face now. I'm watching this sermon. Wash my face, one, brush my teeth, drink some tea, and go in bed, watch a live video, and I'll see you in the next clip, okay? Hey guys, so we are going to the park. Yeah, so I'm just leaving out. We're gonna have picnic round 2. I actually went before and we had a picnic, but we're gonna do round 2. The sun is about to set, so I hope I get there quickly before it gets dark. Yeah, so this is us. So nice.
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one hey, yeah. What do you look for? It's not overdue. Over you. 402 deja vu. I thought I was psycho for you.
Somebody say goodbye, honey.
Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the what do you look for? It's not overdue. Over you. 402 deja vu. You anymore. It hurts me to the core. What do you look for? It's not overdue. You told me to come through. 402 deja vu avenue. Deja vu.
Young and open-hearted, desperate to feel wanted. Gave too much to people that left me disregarded. Used to be easier to give than to take. Used to think everyone would treat me the same. But now, I'm calling back my energy from every single thing that wasn't meant for me. Old friends, ex-lovers. Used to be easier to give than to take. Used to think everyone would treat me the same. But now, I'm calling back my energy.
Come on in.
Come on.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my pool.
Pool. Yeah. Oh, we have to wait. Maybe check the mate. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. 2. A water drink bar. Okay. This is our meal. We're supposed to pick it up. The robot is gonna give us. Looks nice, right? Looks yummy. Can't wait to eat. So this is what? Grilled chicken. I might need more rice. Grilled chicken, rice, veggies, eggs.
What is
guacamole with tomato sauce.
you just need to mix it?
You can do whatever you want. If you want to eat it like that, it's fine. I don't want to mix it. Wait up. Okay. Before we Is it good? Did you taste the rice? Did you taste the rice? Good.